This tutorial will explain how to post a transaction to accounting in Brokerment. To post a transaction to accounting, navigate to Transactions under Overview and select a transaction by clicking it. Then, navigate to Commissions under Assets. Click the Action button at the top and select Post to Transaction Ledger. If prompted to finalize the transaction's commission plans, do so by clicking the Finalize and Proceed button. Once your commission plans are finalized, in the Post Commissions to GL wizard that appears, you can go ahead and fill out the Income and Expenses sections. The Income section lists all the income transactions. So, for all the people listed here, we'll be adding invoices for the amounts shown. Let's click an item in the Income section. We can now view and update the invoice details if needed. To update the payer, click the three dots next to the line item and select Update Payer. To split the amount among several accounts for one and the same person, or among several payers, click the three dots and select Split. Select the Funds Already Received checkbox to open up the list of available items and be able to apply existing payments received and add new ones if needed. When done with the Income section, you can go ahead and fill out the Expenses section. This section contains all the expense transactions. Go ahead and click an item in the Expenses section. You can now view and update the corresponding bill details if needed, just like we did for items in the Income section. Click the three dots next to a line item to update the payee or split the amount. Select the Funds Already Received checkbox to open up the list of available items and be able to apply existing payments received and add new ones. Make sure to click all the items with an orange exclamation mark next to them and provide all the necessary information. When done, click Post. And finally, in the Posted Successfully dialog box that appears, hit Close. This will take you to the Transaction Ledger page where all the newly added GL transactions, bills, invoices, and payments for the posting are highlighted in orange. You're all set. Thanks for watching and have a great day.